We finally come to our last short video here in this particular chapter on transport layer, or layer 4. And in this video I just want to introduce the UDP datagram just so you can see the differences between it and the TCP protocol, and then we'll briefly talk about those two extra ones again, those two extra protocols, SCTP and DCC. So this is it. This is the header for the UDP packet. Not much here. Source port, destination port. We don't have any addressing going on here other than the port number. Remember that our addressing is going to take place in layer 3. We don't have any sequence numbers, urgency flags, ACK numbers, checksums. None of that here. We don't need it. Because remember, this is just best effort. We're just going to send it and hope that you receive it. We don't care about any errors. We don't care about flow control. We don't care about sequences. Just best effort. Now finally, those last two, SCTP and DCCP, these are new. They're not yet in significant use. They're designed to replace TCP and UDP, and we're not going to really study them in this class. They stand for Stream Control Transmission Protocol and Datagram Congestion Control Protocol. Well, that's it for this video.